Hi everyone, Elisa with Jots Designs. In this video, I'll be using JDiction's ResinCrete, colorants, and their new sealant, which I'll show later in the video. The ResinCrete is a 10:3 base to water ratio. Sometimes I do like to add a little extra water for a longer working time, but too much will cause issues with curing. I've got several dish molds I'll be using. For the colors, there are quite a few to choose from, and you can always mix to make a custom color. Before it's completely mixed, I'll add in the colorant. I'm using purple. That way I can get it mixed in without using up some of the working time. You can see how it lightens since it's being added to white, and you can use less or more of the colorant to achieve the color you want. I'll pour enough into the mold to cover the bottom, then tap the mold on the table to get rid of the bubbles. Then I'll top up the mold, and I'll do that for the rest of them. I had enough of the mixture left over that I was able to fill up 3 more small dish molds. To use the sealant, you want to make sure the piece is fully cured. I'd recommend waiting about 24 hours. To apply the sealant, you can just use a paintbrush. Because of the warnings listed on the label, I am wearing gloves so it does not come in contact with my skin. Apply a light coat. For these, I chose to only do the inside areas of the dishes, but you can cover the entire piece. To make it waterproof, you will need to wait 24 hours and apply a second coat. I used warm water and soap to clean up my brush. It's that simple. To help out my channel for free, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already to know when I put out new videos. I hope you found this video helpful and will try out the colorants and sealant made for the ResinCrete by JDiction. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.